Good morning, my friends. My name is Sally Casper here again. Like I told you yesterday, I'm going to paint something on wood. This is a little something small, but I'm going to show you. Okay, I'll see you in a. Okay, my friends, I'm back. Here's what I did. I make a butterfly out of wood. You see this? You trace this on paper, scrap wood, whatever you have. And then the wings have two colors, two wings in a butterfly. So it has to be two, right? So after you cut, you painted it. Whatever is your imagination. The butterfly have what? There's black and have some, yellow in it. So you just do your imagination. I love a colorful butterfly. So after you painted it, you have two wings, so you have to glue the other side, right? I use this glue all because it's stronger. It's better than just the regular Elmer's glue. It is great for home repairs, quick fixes, and more. So I can use this on light wood. Can also use this on paper, but it's better than the regular Elmer's glue. And so when it's done, but first you have to paint. Remember I said about, whatever is your imagination, the colorful butterflies. It's really good. I can paint whatever colors you like. So in painting that, what I use, so in my mind I got like, butterfly have, I use this matte acrylic paint, orange. And I also use matte yellow acrylic paint. I also use red, black, and, and you just mix it. I put it over here and I just mix it whatever color in my mind. Okay, if I think butterfly have green and have yellow spots in it, I just put yellow and spot in it, okay? And then once I'm done painting, I use the gloss varnish. So even if the butterfly will get wet, okay, when you are done, it's dry. I use this wonder thread. It's like I usually buy this a lot, so it's a little bit cheaper when you buy in bulk than buying just a little piece at a time. The nylon thread. It says here it's special soft monofilament. So it's Wonder New Improved Wonder Thread. See? So I use the bulk one, so it will be a little bit cheaper. And then to put it together, you can use like the circle. Usually I use this. I love this because it's nice and flexible. You can make like a circle or any shape you like because it's flexible. Or you can use also this type like this, like electrical thread. Something nice and soft. You can make a circle out of it, or oblong. You can twist it. It's very easy. I like this. But then I saw this one. I said, in the arts and crafts store, you can see this one. It's very flexible. You can turn it around. You can make a circle. You can make a V shape, whatever you like. So I decided to use this instead of this because, or you can use just the white one, you know, white or red. Christmassy is red, but I decided to, I have this one too, but I decided to get the gold one, or you can use the white. So whatever you like, whatever that it feels like. I like it because you can turn it around, you can twist it, you can do whatever you like to do. Okay, so, and that said, with that said, I will show you what I did. See that? Remember that the lady I painted one yesterday, and now I am using this. Hold on here. See, I use that one to hang, so I can adjust the proportion of my butterfly. Look, isn't that nice? I don't know if you can see it well, but look at my butterfly. See, I got this cotton I used. Remember, I show you the. Okay, my friends, now you got it. I have here the finished products of my butterfly. I hope you can see it. Isn't that cute? It's different. See? This is nice for gifts. You can hang it outside. You can hang it in the kitchen. Whatever you like. So here we go. Different color butterfly. You know, when we'll travel to I think it's Minnesota or something, in one of the park, I saw beautiful, beautiful butterflies, and I said, we can do that too, except we just have to hang it. Okay, so my friends, here you go. I hope you like it. Please like my work, and please subscribe so I will you can get the notification of what I post next time. Okay, hope you like it. I will like you back, and let's be friends in YouTube. Have a good day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.